Morning everybody. Another Wednesday's back round. I hope everybody's well. A few bits gonna go. Thanks to everybody who's had a look at that short video I popped on yesterday, that nice match for it. Smashing bloke, that Roger. He rung me about some bits. He said he was buying this car. Anyway, we're just pursuing a few bits, backseat, various bits, and anyway, I managed to sort him out. I managed to fix him up with what he wanted, so that was that. I mean, I've got to dig him out a few, like, well, factory operator's manuals, you know what comes with car. I've got all them sorts of bits, but I've just been a little bit hectic one thing and another. And I'm going to show you around, Victor, because I've got door cards on. I've got Lanny guarded indoors. I've remade the cars, but they're back on now. The car's very much coming to an end now, very fast. I mean, I've got to like mop the paint over, give it a bit of a polish, because it is just a bit dry, that paint. I just think I must have used the too fast hardener at times, to be honest. I don't know, but it would like first thing I painted actually after I've been getting like issues with my breathing, so I don't know if I were a bit knocked off my balance, but we'll pull it right. It's not too much of a problem. But what I'm going to look around it because it's a lot of effort's gone into this car to get it sorted out for chap. But the issue I'm going to look round it with is because he's like, he had a Victor before when he was young, and obviously he's got one now, but there's been a lot of water under the bridge since then. So I've explained to him, I said, look, there's got quite a learning curve to come, mate. I said, because they're going to like step back in time, and things have changed so much in what he'll have been driving and that. So, but it'll be an interesting time for him. But I just want to tell you all here, I don't think any of you are going to bull in a china shop and go like, well, I'm getting a classic car, I'm going to use it all the time, because you're not going to. You're going to have to build up, because they've got their habits, they're completely varied to what a modern car is, you know. So you've just got to get yourself a bit back into that swing. You're listening for things with just touches of maintenance, a little tweak and a knock here, but that's just generally what they are. I mean, that's why I'm doing this video this Wednesday, because it's like, it is a learning curve. Once you've picked up what you want, you've got it. I mean, you're going to probably not so much he's going to have with this, but he's going to have niggles, because I've been through this car, but he'll still have a few niggles. He might find he's probably just can't get his choke right to fire it up. He might this, he might that. You know, he's just like, he's got to watch how he's driving, because his brakes are not his modern car, you know. Where's his clutch biting point? How far? Is it one of them that you just, when you drop for seconds, she might just have a touch of wear on synchro. It just might have been either a Moment gearbox by a Vauxhall, and you might just might be having to pop another push on clutch just to get a smoother change. But these are all things that he's going to come across, and these are all things that he's he's looking forward to it, top and bottom of it. I mean, I'm looking forward to him receiving. I've just got to find them springs that I've been chasing forever. Got down at my mate's, he's got thousands of springs, so I'm sure we can get a match. I'm sure we can sort something out. So I'll take camera now, and we'll let you have a look round door cards. I've done seals on the windows as well, but I'm trying to just explain to you what the path down a classic car, and we all end up going and what you have to do. So, come on. You're probably fed up of hearing me now. I know you all like looking at this car. Let's shoot that over there. So anyhow, before we go any further, look, I've put all these seals in. These are the only seals I can really get for this car now. I mean, I'm going to seal up round screen, but I'm going to use Tiger Seal to do all that. I'll probably show you at a later date, but all four doors are done now. I don't know how well you can see because the trim's on, but these have to be riveted through onto the clips that hold these on. So some of you, if they're not an original car, you haven't got all the bits, I dare say you might be a bit in trouble, but I'll just let you have a look. But these are cards. Now, cards have all gone back onto new hardboard backs. They've still got a few creases. They'll settle the out, but you can't stick them down because you're working with old material. But a lot of this is when Vauxhall, they must have not pulled on material when they actually put pattern in. But it's just how they are. I mean, if you look down at airports, if you see there, that's exactly the same. But I thought I'd show you around. And they've all been Lanny guarded, so everything's off. And also, while they've been off, all locking mechanisms have been sorted out. They're working absolutely perfect. Everything, I've been through everything in the door. The windows are winding up and down nice. They're a little bit stiffer, but what it is, they could probably just do a bit of silicone down runners, but I won't have silicone at workshop, obviously, because I paint, so. But as you can see, coming together, you'll get like the drips, you can see the stuff on the floor, that's because I've had paper on, because they've been soaking overnight, with because obviously they've been full of Lanyard inside for protection. And so it just saves it going all over the floor. But I've put paper, I didn't want you. Because they're all done. Now these, I was unsure on these, because I put them other way at first. And I did them that way. Then when I sat it back to have a look to try how to work it, it was unbinding on seat a bit, so I thought, so I've reversed them. I don't know if it's right, because it showed a picture in, like, factory manuals on the front ones, but not on this one. But these were saying about different colour and dark and black. This is like all factory paint. You know, nothing's altered. But like I say, all the windows work nice. They work lovely. Everything's been sorted out, all locking. Everything's doing exactly what it should do. They might want. No, they're all right. They're fastened. So, hands all back. Everything's gone back exactly as factory, and everything's working as factory. I mean, when you look in there, I mean, it's a bit. Well, it's nice, isn't it? I mean, you can't, because it's just all original in this. You know, and you just don't come across it. People have, like, ripped them out or modified them, but, I mean, I know I go on about this headliner and I keep showing you, but it is something else, like, but. So, I'll show you that other side. They're alright on latches as well, they all shut nice, so. I've got super badge to get on these after I've mopped. There somewhere on my bench here, I've seen them over there, look. So there's no missing, you know, I've got a, but it goes back a while, this car. But they look nice cars, they're all sorted. There's not a rip, a tear, nothing in them. Same with seats, few slight marks. I mean, I know some of you are proper like looking at these and what I do myself, but like, as I've just said, fully Lanyarded inside doors, should be all protected, they're all got full. I mean, I know there's a few issues with seals, but you just can't get it. So, you have to make do, and this is part of the learning curve. You know, I mean, well, I think he's going to enjoy it. He's going to enjoy it, but he's enjoying something that's 62 years old, so I'm just going to have to just get used to it. You know, them brakes aren't going to pull you up like lightning like a modern car does. But it'll all start. You've seen this do a cold start, you've seen it do everything, you know. But simple, straightforward, obviously. Indicate. In fact, I don't know if you've had a right look in here, have you? But obviously gears, I think reverse, 1, 2, 3. Choke, wipers, can't remember if you turn them or you pull them, or you turn them. And obviously your lights, your ignition, it has this like yank type thing on, and also it has, that's for accessories if I remember right. It only comes out in one place, and obviously all your heater controls. So, well, everything's factory. We're very close now. I'm going to 5/16 fuel line. I'm going to drop on today. Front tank up to oil pump, fuel pump, and then that's resolved. I mean, all fuels are resolved now. Covers in there. He's going to have a bit of a play around here. He said, I think he's going to paint his rocker cover, but I'll get this a quick clean off because it's all factory and all original, and it don't really want spoiling. But I'm gonna. Well, when it's all done, I'll take you down the road, quick run round in it, and you'll see. But we're very close now. But what I'm saying is when you get something like this, then it's your turn. You've got to start and work it all out and work out what they like, what they don't like. You know, it's my job to find bits of seals, put bits and pieces on. That's what I do. You know, and when I've done my job, it's all over to your job. So that's a bit of a chat about starting to enjoy your car, and you know, it's not a walk in the park. You'll just some things might irritate you with it, but you'll get used to it because you're completely going back to another era. So give us a like if you like the video, everybody. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more stuff. I mean, you're even going to see stuff like that one I shoved on yesterday, like just somebody pops down and, you know, keep you entertained. And pass a comment if you want to know. Or if you're thinking of going down this road and you want a bit of advice on it, because workshop's getting emptier and emptier and nearer, so we'll be changing in some sort of direction shortly. So take care everybody, and bye for now.